Welcome to this gorgeous modern farmhouse located at 1219 Richelieu in Oak Forest. This family home offers an upgraded technology package including Ring doorbell, a smart lock, and programmable thermostats. This open living space has it all. You have large open windows, real hardwood floors, ease of access to the back patio, and what's a modern farmhouse without a shiplap fireplace? The kitchen, the heart of every home. This one offers a gorgeous farmhouse sink, floating shelves, and plenty of cabinet storage. We have a gas cooktop and double ovens as well. Upstairs, you'll find the game room, utility room, and 3 bedrooms. This gorgeous master suite has a vaulted ceiling, a spa-like master bath, and a beautiful walk-in closet. Thanks for following us along today. Be sure to check out more of our available homes on our website. Also, follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and we will see you soon.